There is a lesson in everything if you just pay attention. You know how you gotta do something? You know you absolutely have to do it, but you don't want to do it because it just looks hard. It looks like it would hurt, or it would take something away. Flow taught me a very valuable lesson that sometimes you just gotta break things down just to allow light and breath in, you know? So I had to bring Flo home from her comfortable space of 7 years. But in order for her to continue to thrive, I had to cut her down. What a lesson. What a lesson. You know how you feel like you're growing, but you're not thriving? Sometimes it's because things are just a little too cluttered. Flo was getting taller, but her stalk was becoming thinner. So if I want her to keep that nice, thick, meaty stalk, then I gotta cut her down and plant her and allow her to grow and really spread her wings. And if this ain't a lesson for you and for me, baby, I don't know what to tell you. Life is happening all around us, and I don't want to miss a moment of it. So I'm taking the lessons where I could get them, and I'm going to thrive while growing.